Bouncing back after a foreclosure can feel like a daunting task, but with the right strategies, it's entirely achievable. Here are some tips to help you on your journey to financial recovery. First and foremost, take stock of your current financial situation. Assess your income, expenses, and debts to get a clear picture of where you stand. Next, focus on rebuilding your credit. While a foreclosure can have a significant impact on your credit score, it's not the end of the road. Start by making all of your payments on time, including utilities, rent, and any other bills. Consider applying for a secured credit card or a small loan to help establish positive credit history. Don't forget to budget wisely. Prioritize your spending and cut back on non-essential expenses to free up extra cash. Building up your savings will provide a safety net for unexpected expenses and future financial goals. Finally, don't be afraid to seek support. Whether it's through financial counseling, community resources, or support groups, there are plenty of resources available to help you navigate this challenging time. Remember, recovering from a foreclosure takes time and dedication, but with perseverance and determination, you can rebuild your financial future. Take the first step today towards a brighter tomorrow.